Let's see how you can print from Canva. Whether you need flyers, business cards, or posters, Canva makes printing easy. Once your design is ready, all you need to do is click the share button in the top right corner. Let's do this right now. In this case, let's create a design and let's choose this template. Let's say I want to print this. All I need to do is click on the share button and then click download. We can then see that there's a drop down. For best quality in printing, you need to choose PDF print. For home printing, we can download as PDF print so we can open it on our computer and print it using high quality settings to ensure sharp colors and details. And that's it. That's how you print from Canva. See you soon.